Hi guys, I'm Sam and this is Real Housekeeping. Today's quick tip comes from the kitchen. It's super simple, but so necessary. It is salting your boiling water. Yes, that's it. But listen, I'm not just talking about a pinch of salt. No, I am talking about making your boiling water salty like you just accidentally inhaled water from the ocean, like that salty. So, for example, I blanch quite a bit of broccoli. It's obviously super healthy, and my daughter loves eating broccoli. Praise the Lord. So when I blanch broccoli, there's really no way to saturate it with flavor unless your water is saturated with flavor. So go ahead and use tons of salt. Like this, no joke, is how much salt I'm going to use. Yes, I do put that much salt in. The reason being is most of the salt, when you drain your broccoli or whatever you're blanching or boiling, when you drain it, most of the salt's going to go down the drain with the water. And with blanching broccoli, it literally is 3 minutes in the boiling water and you're done. It's amazing. If you do have a correct amount of salt in your water, the flavor that is absorbed in the broccoli there's really nothing like it, and there's nothing that you really can do to broccoli in order to get that flavor. Noodles are another thing that you want your water to be heavily salted for. Not only does it add tons and tons of wonderful flavor, but it helps your noodles from not sticking together after you drain it. So of course it's gonna take a little bit of practice in order to figure out how much salt you need. So put the salt in, let the water heat up a little bit, and then taste it and see, okay, does this taste salty like the sea or salty like the ocean, or does it need a little bit more? The only way to know for sure if you seasoned your water correctly is by tasting the finished product. So you might, mess up a couple times, and that's okay. It's a process of learning. Salt is such a beautiful mineral to enhance the natural flavors of whatever you're cooking. I hope you found this quick tip helpful and as exciting as I did when I first learned it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for joining me on my journey of becoming a real housekeeper.